Welcome to our vlog. We are going to SM.
Stop mo!
Vlogging.
Ayan, nag-vlog na siya.
My mom is vlogging too. Which one? I bet it's this one. Nag-upload ako, no? Nasa YouTube na nga eh.
Ako pala yan. Hindi nag-upload.
Hindi ka nag-edit.
And kapag meron kayong card, ito-tap nyo lang dito.
Yeah, just tap the card there.
Tap nyo lang dyan.
English
yung card.
naman.
I-tap. There.
Tap your card here.
Meron na English na nahirapan ko. Tap your,
L.
tap your card here. Meron na mababa.
Loser. Okay. Our cards here. See, they have a cafe there. It's so nice here, and they have a huge Christmas tree. Pardon my voice. I feel a little sick. Look. This is where you can sit. Yeah, that's the playground. We actually played there before. Here, you can see, you can wait here for your cars. It's so much fun to play in the play. See, it's so cute. We actually tried everything there, including the roller coaster one.
May roller coaster?
Ayan o. Yung yellow na packet. I'm with my mom, just waiting for the car. Naka-video ka. Candid daw. Tapos nakangiti. Okay guys, we're going to South now. Okay, we're here.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Say hi.
One time.
Sorry. Gusto mo magtingin sa loob?
Parang maganda yung bag na yun, Hajin. Ayan. Pagkaba.
Sa pink worm. A lot of charms. We're going to Mary Grace to have some pasta and some hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Huh?
cold hot chocolate.
I wanna try it.
Carbonara, no bacon, then 2 cheese rolls. That's all. Babalik 15 to 20 minutes na lang po.
Okay. Okay, so we finally ordered some food. And now we're just waiting.
Hi, Zan is here. So in this video, we did a lot of things. We stayed at a hotel and we watched a live band, but right here in this moment, we're just waiting for our order. This cafe is actually one of my favorites, if not my most favorite, but it's called Mary Grace Cafe. So my favorite order from Mary Grace is the hot chocolate. I actually tried the iced hot chocolate from there just today, but I didn't really like it. I still prefer the Mary Grace hot chocolate over that. Here, as you can see, I'm just acting all cute and trying to take a video of my beauty, and I know I'm beautiful. You don't even have to comment it. But anyway, I'm really enjoying this day so far.
So we finally have our warm water. Like I said, I feel a little bit sick, so I need it warm. But I'll still have cold iced hot chocolate later.
Thank you po.
So this is my carbonara. Since it doesn't have bacon, they called it mushroom pasta. This is my mom's hot white chocolate and her grilled cheese. It's so good.
Kung kumain ng ano, yung kori-kori.
Sige, mami, ito kayo. Kasi ganito.
Na mainit. Alam mo yung Bear Brand na pinunaw-tunaw.
Malamig.
Ganon. Ganon talaga. Kung saan tanungin, Bear Brand ko ba to? Sige na talaga super tamis. Nakasala lang muna. Sabi ko pa, ay, hindi ako mag-iyak ng ano galing dito sa mall. Gusto ko yung baong ko tubig. Kaya walang baong tubig. Sa kanila lang ako nakinom kasi tubig. No choice, ang tamis.
Raya? Punta tayo? Thank you po. My mom didn't allow me to buy some. She said I have too much Barbie stuff. I say, you can never have too much Barbie stuff. That's my bag. That one. I love that one.
dali na natin kutsara sa bahay. Ay.
Pang crystals kaya. Pang crystals po ito. Totoo sila.
Natural.
May! May! Wait lang. Try lang ako. Let's do a what's in my bag video. So here you're gonna see my ashtray. It's a keychain ashtray. See? And inside we have my phone. Mamaya na kasi nagbi-video pa ako. We have my phone. A power bank. What else? My camera case. This one. What else? My wallet. Of course, it's a Barbie wallet. And a shell. What's inside the shell? Let's see. Some rings and my gold earrings. What else? This one. This is a sunscreen mist. And a lighter. Another lighter and some lipstick. This one. This is a blotting paper. And my hairbrush. It's a Barbie hairbrush. And a power bank. Is there something more? Yes, there is. A polish. Nail polish. That's it. That's all that's in my bag. We're going to Chowking to buy some chocolate brown.
Si Aya, nababantay
So this is everything we bought. Oh my fucking god. Susuotin ko talaga yan araw-araw. Isang linggo.
Para sulit, no?
Yes.
Anak, tawa ka man ako.
555.
13,340.
Okay, I made 18 naman kanina. Na, buti na lang. Oh my gosh.
Asa ka liyo pinagkawat ko din?
Ma'am, ang palda mo, yung skirt mo, ano, suot mo kanina.
Oo nga, nasa na yun?
Ako na iwan.
Hindi ko po siya naiwan. Wala pa sila.
Nakapampay sa akin.
Akin na, ma'am, sabi natin.
Ay, wow, free. Free love. Freebie.
Wow. Thank you, my freebie.
Wait lang, ma'am.
Ano yung freebie? Tote bag?
Ano ka lang. Kahit ano pa yan, okay lang.
Basta may freebie.
Basta free. Ay, free, free.
Mami ka mag-dressmaking na lang ako.
Saktuhin mo ang 14,000 para apat yung ganito mong free.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Okay lang.
Sige, isa lang naman siya eh. Isang anak eh.
Nag-iisa ka lang naman pala, ma'am eh.
Hindi pa ginip na.
Ma'am, ito yung resibo, ma'am. Dito na lang ba? Thank
Yes.
you so much. Thank you po. Ma'am, thank you.
Kuya Mac, pa-help please.
Naglo-load siya.
Thank you po.
So we just bought some clothes. I'm gonna show you later.
Wala pa din.
Hindi ka pa bumibili? Excuse me. What do you say, mother? Is it expensive to have me as your daughter?
Yes, super.
We're going to buy some sandals for my mom. Because look at her sandals. What are those?
So
They're
cute.
crocs. They're crocs? Sabi mo, they're crocs.
They're crooks like me. Such a crook.
What are those? What do you say? What do you say?
These are beautiful crocs.
Crocs.
A representation of our government.
Oh my gosh, look. Ang ganda ng bag ni.
Oo. Hello, din. Ayaw pa din?
Look at those shoes. ₱30 lang ang data ko. Huwag kayong mag-ano, reklamo.
Sino mo kung may signal ka?
Meron.
Pero din nag-load yun eh. May load din ito eh.
Baka wala talaga signal dito. Wala talaga. Look at those shoes.
Ano na, okay na?
I didn't buy it because it wasn't comfortable enough. So yeah. Are you happy with your purchase?
Super!
Pero ano mi?
Super happy!
Ang gaganda sana ng
Ang mga pinili ko siya kaya lang kung hindi madalas masakit sa paa mo. Huwag na lang. Kaya mo.
yeah. Tsaka wala siyang outfit na mabagayan.
Nawala.
Wala akong outfit na babagayan. Mas gagastos pa ako. Ganun yung logic ko pagka bibili ako. Isip ko ba kung merong babagay ba na outfit.
si Dali, and then si Sam.
Tali and Sam. Ang cute naman ng, ng ears nila. Lalo na yung kay Sam. So cute. Nanginginig sila para silang takot.
Opo.
Takot sila sa maraming tao.
Opo. Hindi kasi sila usually lumalabas talaga. Sa bahay lang talaga.
Ay, meron din kaming dog. Dalawa din sila. Ganun din. Nanginginig sa labas.
Opo. Ano yan?
Ganyan, ganyan.
24 po sila kaso namin sa bahay actually.
Ang dami.
Opo.
OMG. Meron din kayong big dogs.
Hindi po. Puro
small
ganito
dogs
lang po.
lang. Pero ang cute nila. Paano po siya umabot sa 24?
Ano po yan halos magkakalayo na lahat. Parang anak-anak.
Anak-anak ata
na
sila.
na-attach kasi hindi na mabenta.
Hindi na mabesta. So cute. They're so cute. Thank you po. Thank you po. Ang cute nila. Bye-bye. Sam and Tali.
Atay siya doon.
Naawa si Kuya sa'yo. The guard was looking for the receipt, but my mom was like too slow at finding it, so he was like, "It's okay, mom. You don't have to."
No, I'll find it for you. Wait.
Another thing I forgot to show you is this. I also have this in my bag, and this magical oil too. This is actually used for massage. So, yeah, that's about what's in my bag. That's about it. We're finally back at the hotel room. Now I need to charge my battery because it's low bat. Here we go. Just gonna charge it.
Sige na.
Bye. Okay guys, we're on our way to the bar. So, we're just getting ready. And my mom is getting ready to swim in alcohol. Why are you wearing goggles?
I'm testing it.
She's swimming in air. Okay, swim here. Wow, is that how you swim?
Yes. Yes, now let's go.
14.
Welcome lobby, buffet, cafe, sports club. Sports club.
Lubi?
Open sesame. Bah!
Huwag naman na. Tulog na.
Ang ganda na ng buhok mo ah.
Ha?
Ang ganda na ng buhok mo ah.
May halos, ano tayo? Paano yan?
Ikala ko parehas kayo.
Nag-usap tayo.
Nag-usap ba kayo?
Ito yung bago kong, bagay.
Ako din, tinan mo.
Oo nga, nakabla ka rin. Ang ganda. Bago nito yun. At ako naman nagtutuloy-tuloy kayo credit card ko. Ay, ako. Tita ko kasi, ang ganda eh. Ganda nga eh, oh. Nakatago pa yan. Nakaganon pa yan doon sa display. Nakaganyan. Eh, ginanon ko. Oh, sabi ko, maganda pa rin. Sa ano? So, kaya sa Jen.
Nakabidyo na yan.
Oo nga.
Pagkanan ko.
Pag ano? Wait lang. Ang sexy. Ang ganda oh. Oo my gosh, dalaga na yung baby namin. Teka lang, may ilaw dyan. Para pulo. Diba?
Thank you. We're here. This is the place to be.
Diba ganito yung sa mga vlogger?
My mom is vlogging. That's bar 9. Only fans. Only pants.
Oo.
Video. Dilim eh. Madilim? Yan. Ito ka ba lang? Dito. Madilim pa rin. No? Ano?
So this is the food. Nachos. They go from this stage down here. This is where they usually go. We have some more food. right
Kung may
here.
viewers pa, puno na to. Table natin.
What is this? Ketchup? Ketchup?
Ayun na kayo gusto mo yun, oh. Brand.
Oh, ranch. Paano natin ito? Thanks. Ranch. It's a rock. Rock and roll. Rock and roll.
Thank you, ate.
Mommy, rock and roll.
Oo, hindi mo mga...
Everyone, I put the rock and roll in my bag.
Ba't napahilot ka na?
So drunk.
Oh, si mama.
Hihilutin kita, Mami. Gusto mo magpahilot?
Hindi. Ayoko.
Hilod. Ayaw mo hilod. Ito, may bato ako.
Ayun. Malaglag mo ha. Sabag mo na.
Yes, sa pag. Ayun nga. The drunken function. It's dark in there. Wow! Look at the Christmas tree. It's so red and beautiful. Wow, Christmas tree, you're beautiful. I wanna sleep. I wanna sleep. Nasa iyo yung susi ah.
Yan lang wala ako. Tama ba yun?
Bye-bye, Tene.
Bye-bye.
So dark. Look at me.
Upin? Tao po. 12? 12 ba?
12, tama. No, it's not!
Ano? Inaaway mo yan?
Sabi niya restricted floor daw
Kasi
eh.
ako yung pumipindot, dapat si Kuya Ma.
Hindi kaya. Pwede kami doon kasi doon yung ano namin, yung check-in namin.
Kailangan nga ng card.
May card kami. May bato pa nga ako eh. I have a rock. I have a rock. Dali, naiihi ako. Kasi mami na huli. Hindi na, mamaya pa. Sige na, go na. Ikaw na maihi. Wala pa nga.
May wata si Kuya Maktaon. Tagal yung dalawa. Yan.
I have a rock. I have a rock. Mama! Tinan mo, pasalubong ko sa'yo. May pasalubong ako sa'yo. May pagawa kang panghilod.
Ay, hindi ito panghilod, B.
Panghilod yan.
Ang panghilod yung mga magaspang.
Ganyan yung panghilod. Magaspang nga eh.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Pasalubong ko yan sa'yo.
Pamukpok sa ulo.
Ay, oo.
Good night, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to go downstairs for breakfast. It's a free breakfast thing, so look, I'm dressed like a princess. My mom chose this for me. This is actually a top and a skirt. And I just tucked in my shirt. My top, I mean. Okay, so I just clipped my hair. I haven't had the time to remove my makeup last night because I was way too drunk to function. But anyway, my grandma is rushing me, so I have to go. Bye bye. Why do I have a rock?
Siguro lang sa kanya.
Why is there a rock?
Kuya Mark, dali mo yung susi dyan.
Saan?
Oh nga, mukha nga pang hilod.
Ito ba?
Para ilikan mo.
So we're on our way to the ground floor. I'm with my uncle. Hi, Kuya. Say hi. So we're on our way to eat breakfast. My mom is fasting, so she can't go with me. 1207. Last name Belen. Okay na po. Thank you. Dito na lang tayo, kuya.
Okay na daw.
Yes. Okay na lang.
Morning.
Good morning. Ikaw na muna.
Ako na muna.
There are eggs. This is so good. So soft.
Ginawa niya pa din. In-effect niya pa din.
Hi, good morning, Mommy.
Good morning. Good morning! Ano naman pala kami ngayon, Doten? Isip mo lang namin.
Buti di ako na naglan.
Ha?
That's the playground. This is the parking lot. So this is where I smoke. This is where my grandma smokes. This is the garage. Look at the parking lot. It's empty.
Yan ang well.
Wow. Ganyan pala paggawa niyan. Sabi nila pag mahilig ka daw sa matcha, mahilig ka daw magmarijuana.
Ah, di naman. Grabe naman yun. Nainom din ako nito, no? Pero kasi ano eh,
The matcha, and she gave me a tip to buy Nutrify brand for the matcha. So I told her to lessen the ice so I could have more of the contents in my matcha. So she did that, and I'm thankful. Even though I have like a runny nose, I don't care. I'm gonna drink iced matcha anyway because I loved it. So ito,
Dati nagpapautang ako ang tubo ko fishbone.
so good.
kuya, baka magdahan mo lang kumita dyan.
Yan, nagkukulang.
Gano'n dito?
May napasok ako doon naman yung dito sa may White Plain. Pagkalalaki.
Do you see the beauty in this? I see the beauty in this. Well, I'm finally home and I'm just editing the videos and it's taking a long time. I didn't realize that the vlog would be almost an hour long. So I have a lot of work to do, including cutting the clips and everything. So thank you for watching the vlog. That's it. Bye bye.